Hi, this is Marcel, and this video is about how I, with the help of family and friends, turned a 12-foot Stepvan into my home. So that's Marcel, and I'm somewhat halfway through the conversion. That's how long it took me to get my stuff together and try and edit something. So there'll be a mix of, I don't know, time between filmings and talkings and whatnots. So yeah, bear with me. Also, funny fact, I'm pretty awkward on the camera, so you might as well enjoy my awkwardness with it. Back where we were. This is the main cabin. Not really sure yet what I'm gonna do here, but I'll probably take all this off and insulate it for temperature and noise and all there is to it, and make it really nice, but also in a way that I can cover it all and make it not look like a nice living quarters, because the whole, well, not the whole point, but a big point of having a small Stepvan is that I can drive into little towns and whatnots and just be parked anywhere, as long as I can just park overnight and keep it stealth. There will be a vent on the roof and some really thin, flexible, flat solar panels around there, but I'll make it in a way that if you just stand right here, you can't really see anything. So, and I'll keep the sides and everything pretty as is, maybe some paint, but probably a window here, but I'll cover it in a way, I'll have a second cover to it, so that when I'm not using it as a window, when I'm somewhere where one shouldn't be living in, I'll just like keep that closed with the like a sealed off thing, so it just looks like a big drawer thing on the outside or something like that. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, so this is it for now, and we'll start with the time lapse, so I don't have to do any talking anymore, and it'll start from kind of around now. I guess I'll just take the floor today and take it from there. Bye. Right, talking awkward video number 3. So had a couple days of just kind of decision making and not really any building, but a lot of decisions were made. Today was a pretty exciting day. We got the wood for the floor, so we found some really nice red oak with some tools, and help to buy it with really nice discount from Home Depot from our friend Bill. Thank you, Bill. And so red oak for the flooring, and then I found some really nice thin sheet of good looking cedar with little knots and whatnots. Give it a little wood cabin look that I really want to. Got some insulation right there. Got 3/4 inch whatever this insulation is. It's pretty good. It says R5, and then I'm gonna put R6 in the ceiling. So made ourselves a little working table out here, little cover from the rain and sun. Thanks again, Bill. So yeah, this is it. She's still stripped. I think next step is doing some cleaning, and yeah, that's it for now. Almost forgot. We also got some soundproofing sheets for some for the walls, some for the wheel wells, whatever that's named. The fan, my vent also came on the mail. It's pretty cool. I got the 10 speed max fan with thermostat and all the stuff there is to it. No power, it's just on the hand. Don't need that. And yeah, glove time. So I got so excited yesterday with finding my floor and my walls that I forgot about my ceiling. I bet there's some Zen irony in that. So we're for the ceiling. Well, we just drove an hour down south to get those boards, but they're limited stocks, apparently no stock at all. So, time to compromise. That was it for the end of video number 1, and next video we'll have a lot more building and doing and cutting the car and stuff like that. And yeah, I just gotta get to editing. But it was pretty funny looking at my awkward face, and I kind of like doing this editing thing. So yeah, soon.